Disney Plus not working on Firestick. Alright guys, so here's how you can fix it. The first step you're going to take is actually restarting. So unplug your Fire Stick from power and simply restart it. So give it 30 seconds and then plug it back in. That should fix it up. The next thing is to check your internet connection. So go into settings, enter network, and then make sure you're actually connected to the internet. If you're not, simply connect and it should fix the buffering. Another thing you can try is clearing cache and data. So go to settings, applications, manage install apps, and then you'd find Disney Plus. Once you found it, click on clear cache and clear data, then simply reopen the application. Another thing you can try is updating the Disney Plus app. So go to the App Store, search for Disney Plus, and click on Update. Once you've updated it, that should fix out the issues, or you could simply try reinstalling that to delete and then reinstall the latest version of Disney Plus onto your Fire Stick. That should work. Now, if that doesn't fix it, please make sure you turn off any VPN you are actually using. So turn off any VPN you're actively using on, your Fire Stick, and that should fix the problem. And last but not least, try to update your Fire Stick software. That usually fixes most of these issues. All right, guys.